Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. If you don't know what Holidays with the Housewife is, that's alright. It is my annual Christmas card making event, 12 days of card making fun. Today I have a really fun, really easy insert card for you. This is my Penguin Skater insert card. Isn't that so cute with the cute little penguin skating there? I have 3 different colored cardstock here that will help really create this scene for you. And of course, like all my insert cards, can be made on any of the Cricut cutting machines. This card definitely is a quick and easy one, so you can knock them out really quick. Perfect for this time of year. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. Once you've typed in the password, you're brought to all the free files. At the time of recording this video, I do not have any of the Holidays with the Housewife card files in my file library, but there is a graphic that is popping up right now that tells you the design number for this particular card. Go ahead and click that hyperlink, download the file onto your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project opened in Cricut Design Space, we're going to head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to convert some score lines and then convert some pen lines. So first, let's find the envelope, highlight the score line. That is this big black box right here. Come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. Now we need to do the same thing for the card base. So let's highlight the score line, change that to score. And now I designed this card to have the Cricut draw out some of the features on the penguin. We need to highlight that layer, come up to operation and change that to pen. I recommend sticking with black, but if you want to change the pen color, you can do that here. Now highlight that group and attach. Once you have that all set, go ahead and click Make It. I'm going to be using the mat for this. You'll see the different mats for the card. Click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock. Now I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I will see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything's been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now the first thing that I want you to do is we need to go ahead and layer our insert piece. Now, this is completely optional. You do not need to do this portion at all. This is just to make the character here stand out the best with some variations of color. That's what these three different pieces are going to do for us. Now, take your insert piece and you will notice that your machine has cut a few little slits in here. It is not a mistake for it to do that. It is done on purpose so that you know where to place this black piece. So I want you to flip the black piece over, add your glue, and now you're going to line up the top edge and place this between those two slits. Just like that, and press. You do want to make sure that the little ice skates are facing the same way as the card base. And now take the red piece, add your glue, and you are going to line up the left edge and the top edge. Just like that. Okay? So set that to the side. Go ahead and take your card base, fold along the score lines on the card base, take your scraper and burnish the fold. Open the card up. And then the side with the black and the red piece needs to go facing down. And then just add the insert piece to the slits on the card. And there we go. We have our cute little pond. Our penguin is nice and filled in now because of that black piece, and then the cute little hat there. Super cute. I'm going to set that to the side, and I'm going to show you how to do the envelope very quick. Just go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. Take your inlay panel and add glue along the outer edge. You can also add glue to the cutout on the envelope if you wish, for a little bit more security there. Now just place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope. You're going to want to make sure to center it the best that you can on that flap. And spin the envelope around. Bring the side flaps in. Add your glue to the bottom of those side flaps. And with your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And then that forms your cute little envelope with that snowflake. How simple was this to put together? I love insert cards. Anyone who knows my blog knows that I love insert cards. Quick and easy cards are my jam. I hope that you like this one, and I hope that you make it. If you do make it, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We would love to see your different creations. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends that love to support and motivate each other. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you at the next card making video. Bye.